you doing? Mike here. Hope all is well. We are here in a beautiful resort at the French Alps. Thought it'd be kind of funny or amusing for me to only use this GoPro Hero 7 instead of the 30 kilos of camera gear that I brought with me. So this entire episode, or at least the first part of this episode, will only be shot on this Hero 7. In case you're new here, my name's Mike. How you doing? I shoot travel videos and like to talk about the equipment I use to make these travel videos. Right, time to get off the lift. Skiing with a kite. And just for Bella, Mont Blanc this is. Go have a little tip. GoPro shoot wide to get that energetic footage. You want to go up close to something, otherwise it just looks a million miles away. Do you look energetic and excited?
Well, you're quite close. Also,
another factor, I had the sharpness setting on low. These GoPros are crazy sharp.
That's really cool.
Mont Blanc. On the mountain. Mont Blanc. So as a test, GoPros are notoriously bad when it comes to low light. So behind me the sun is about to go in, so let's see how well this GoPro Hero 7 can do in low light conditions.
Your body move, you go on and make your debut. Now we starting something, gonna know your name. Nothing that we can do, no wall that we can't break through. Once it started pumping, push and do your things. Adrenaline, 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 adrenaline.
Right, we're out with Bella practicing her turns in all terrain. It's not settling.
What?
No, it's not settling. I find those people really annoying.
What?
You know, it snows at school and there's always one person going, doesn't matter, it's not settling. Most annoying people on the planet. You know who you are. We haven't got a snowman yet, have we?
No.
So it doesn't get more low light than this.
It's near to where we hold our hands in front of our face and we can't see our hand. Yeah, we need to go.
We do need to go, otherwise we're stuck here forever. Show everyone how good your skiing is. Go on, off you go. Such a pro. Look at that. Now do it on one leg like Bodie Miller. Oh, come on. You did it earlier. Whoa, what? That's amazing. Right, she is actually a better skier than me now. This is getting silly. I can't believe that. So Bella had a look at the button halfway down the tourmaline and said she fancied a go on it. So now, oh, Mum's going to be so mad at us. Now we're going to attempt the unpiste black going down there. If you look closely, you can see Helios just over there. Look at that. So you ready?
Yeah. Not too slow.
Go on then. Good job. Okay, take it steady, alright? Great job, Boo. That's it, go over that side. You go over this side, it's a lot less steep. Alright? Like a boss.
You already got this. You were born to do it. Get up and get on the floor.
Are you not impressed?
I'm really impressed that she's done it. That's amazing. It's amazing.
How's that look? It's disgustingly bright up here. Right, Bella is safely back at the chalet, which is all the way down there. And I couldn't be more proud of her after doing that unpiste black. That was quite remarkable. But I've come out with the board. Last quick go on the board before I head back to the chalet and enjoy the spa. But to conclude on the GoPro Hero 7, I'm very impressed. Audio still garbage. but it's getting better, and having the stereo only if there's zero wind is a big winner, so I'll definitely be using that. But me and GoPros go a long way back. Started off making films with an iPhone, and then in 2015 I bought my first GoPro, which was the Hero 4 Silver. Absolutely love that camera, and the reason why I love that camera so much is because it enabled me to capture things I wouldn't have captured, to put a camera in position where you just wouldn't put a normal camera. It was waterproof, I could stick it to the side of a vehicle, I could tape it to my leg whilst I'm snowboarding, silly stuff like that. So there is a place in my heart for GoPro, that is for sure, because it started so many things off for me and probably got me into filmmaking. So thanks GoPro. But yeah, the Hero 7 is a big winner, and I think using the ProTune flat settings and doing a bit of color grading, definite winner. Using the linear mode, again a definite winner. Just removes that fisheyed look that GoPros are synonymous with. Although when you do shoot linear mode, you do lose a lot of the width, which makes GoPros great for what they are, for that kind of over the top silly view, super view as they call it. Anyway, I hope that's been useful, enjoyable. I think I'm about to be kicked off the mountain. Yeah, PCAs are coming. Right, Mont Blanc is over that way, and Flaine is over that way, down there. If this isn't exposed correctly, I'm so sorry. I can't see a thing. I literally can't see a thing. I've got a histogram and it looked like a lie detector test. Hopefully I can color grade this. Alright, I'll see you in the next one. See ya.